Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide your liked tweets or liked posts on your X or Twitter. So let's head over to our X application or Twitter first. So as you currently see, I'm on my X website. So what you need to do is for Android and iOS, you have to go to this more option, and here you'll find the option of settings and privacy. Now go to privacy and safety in this console. Now go to audience, media, and tagging. Now, as you can see in here, there's an option of protect your posts. So when selected, your posts and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. So as we want to hide them, I will just check it and tap on protect. Now my posts or the likes I have given on the posts are hidden. So yeah, this is the easiest way you can hide your liked posts on X or Twitter. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.